Here we go.
Right.
Wow.
I gotta get some fish pads on this thing. Let's get this.
All right.
It's kind of cool how these pads don't come pre-installed. So if you want to put them down by your ankles, you can, and then put the gel stuff pads up high. I wouldn't put these on the top. You're not gonna like them. But that's pretty good for on your ankles.
Yeah. I got this massive shin, dude.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Sealed up. Look at that. Yeah, they are.
I saw a guy driving one of those the other day. Yeah, they're nice. My friend has the one wheel.
Oh, powers up.
Yeah, so that's why we all switch.
Yeah, just stopping and getting off of it is kind of nuts.
Yeah, they're definitely more angled. Those are smaller pedals. I'm definitely going with Nikola pedals.
These things are like 5 times more though, aren't they? When I saw the guy drive by, or he was back, he was by with him. This guy looked it up.
There's one that
Love it.
Nice.
Success.
Good
Thank
shape.
you, Ray.
Alright, I feel like I should open one up too.
All right. Look at that headlight. Oh, that's obscene. That's too bright. Wait, oh, my eyes. Seriously, that's crazy bright. That's unbelievable. You can see that. You can see that across the football field in the middle of the daytime.
Almost did.
Watch those fingers. I'm sure you've had that happen. You grab it by the tire. You're early on. A couple of times, you learn quick.
that pedal angle is gonna take a minute.
I'm
I'm definitely gonna leave it.
Are you? Yeah. For off-roading, I mean, it'll keep you locked in. But I like to float around.
And you cut really tight. You turn and not cut your hair.
Woo!
That's a ton of your tires.
Mine's medium, a little low.
This feels like
It's bounced. Oh, yours is really low. Yeah, yours is really low. Yeah, that bounced all the way down.
Yeah. But the shell looks alright. You can spin it too and look at your tire and make sure it looks like it's running relatively true.
No,
just lift it up.
I was gonna bring a pump, man. I can't believe it. I forgot.
That's pretty good.
Spin test. How true are they?
Mine's really good.
Oh, look
Really
at that!
Mine's wobbly as shit.
They said it cuts off super hard when it cuts off.
It does. It
It's
does.
a little
It's
wobbly, but
wobbly.
it's all in the high spot right in the middle. It's not wobbly side
Let's
to
see.
side.
Go again.
That might just
It's
be because
off.
you're so low. Dude, these things are sick. Oh, and then we have music.
Mine's not. You gotta hit, huh?
Is it?
You've always had to do that after after a free spin. You always have to shut it all the way down. So you hold this down, turns off, hold it down again, turns on.
Look at it straight on. You think
Yeah, it looked good side to side, which is kind of what's important. Yeah, give this one a jam.
Is that bad?
No, it's pretty standard, really.
It's pretty
On the
normal,
forum, there's a
and I would-
lot of people.
I would definitely inflate it, and then you can also shape it, because you have a lot to lose right here before you get down to your treads.
And shape it by what? Riding it?
No, you can just wheel it up and go like this. Feel burnout?
Ah,
But I would inflate your tire first.
yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
So what is this? This is just so you can lift it with not doing that?
Yeah.
It's not even on right now though.
All right, thumbs up. End this one.